If you are getting started with Qt apps on Windows, then probably this is the first error you will encounter. Hello, my name is Hamisi and you're watching Spin TV. If I try to open Qt Designer app, I get this plugin error. Also, when I try to run my Python app that uses Qt UI, I get the same error. So to solve this error, click on the link I have provided below to download a zip file. This zip file contains all the platform plugin files needed. After downloading, click on the Start menu, then search for platform folders. All folders should appear once the search is complete. Select one folder, then click Open. Now go back to the download folder, extract the zip file you just downloaded, then copy and paste the platform plugin files to the folder you just opened. Repeat this process for all the platform folders that appeared on your search results. If you did everything correctly, then your Qt apps should run without any plugin errors. As you can see, my apps are now running. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more.